Fuzzy roots. Thick hair, don't care. Our friends are having a party and we are walking to it right now, and it is extremely hot. I'm about to burn up. It's literally probably almost 100 degrees. But anyway, some people are in the pool. We're not getting in the pool. We're just gonna sit by the pool. So we'll check in later. You guys, everybody is in the pool except for us because we don't know how to swim.
No.
Why not? Why not? No, we could have got in there and just like waded in the water, but we really didn't want to. We're just sitting here chilling in the shade. You wanna say hi to the vlog? Jim, you wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hi, vlog.
What'd I tell you? Vlog.
Vlog.
Not vlog.
Well, you said
He
like
does
you
that
did
every
beat.
time. Another day, another hairdo. I am on my way to church right now. Let me show you what I'm wearing. So I have this little dress. It's like strappy. Oops, hold on. My shoes, my little strappy sandals, and then I'm going to put on a jean jacket. To probably wear inside because it might be cold. For the hair, it is time to wash it, but I don't think I'm gonna wash it today. It's been a week, but I just kind of moved it over to the side, hoping that it doesn't get on my nerves being in my face, but yeah. Okay, I'm sitting in the car. So we just left the farmer's market and my husband ran in the grocery store and I didn't want to come in. I decided to stay in the car and talk to you guys. So before I left the house, I was thinking about like putting my hair in my head in, you know, one of my headbands that I always wear. And then I just decided like, no, I'll just leave it down, and I like it. Fuzzy roots. Thick hair, don't care. Now I'm going to I'm going to Sprouts. I wanted to go to, you know how you have a particular, like a favorite grocery store? Like, you know, Sprouts is my grocery store, but I have one at a certain location that I like better than the other one. They got all the same products, but I just like that one better. But anyway, I can't go to that one. Well, I can, but I don't want to drive across town. I'll go to one closest to this Lowe's that I'm leaving from, and I'm gonna go get my fruits and vegetables. Okay, let's get into it. Sandals, Nordstrom. Skirt, estate sale. Little shirt, I got this from China. I went to China a few years ago to teach. And hair, okay, so just a little bun, kind of messy, very messy. And then I braided it at the top. Hello, I am taking my hair down. So this time I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 braids. Did it yesterday. It has been about 24 hours. So let's see how this looks. Because so why did I choose 6? Because remember last time, you guys, I did 4. If you didn't watch my beachy semi-freeform lock video, I did 4. This time I'm doing 6. I just playing around. That's all. Just playing around, seeing what it looks like. I'm liking it. Yeah. I mean, it all kind of looks the same, right? It is what it is, but this one didn't, but it's okay. All right. Okay, let me oil it. Still using, you know what? I am going to put some jojoba and still my, what is my ride or die? My ride or die. Black vanilla, Carol's daughter. Oh. And then some jojoba. I love the way that Carol's daughter smells. Okay, all right. Y'all, I like this. I like the six braids or whatever, right? Like wavy body. Let me turn around so you can see. I didn't even look back there. Oh, I hope it's looking good. Ow, I like it. All right, this is what I'm wearing. I have my I have a little graphic tee that I got from the thrift store, if you can see. There we go, that's better focus. Thrift store. The pants are Gap. And I think I'm just throwing my little sandals. I'll see. But it's messy back here. But anyway, yes, I'm loving the hair. Loving the waves. Date night. Let me see. Let me make sure. There we go. We are going out on a little date night bowling. It's actually with like a small group from my church. So I have this little tube top blousey thing on. My jeans from H&M. This top is thrifted. And my head wrap from the Wrap Life. That's better. Yes, my head wrap from the Wrap Life, thrifted top, and then you have the jeans from H&M. Might have should have ironed them a little bit, but I'm not. And that is about it.
Back there, you're in the ladies section. Men are back there.
Shae, do what she did. Shae, do what she did. Come on. Uh-oh, nothing.